Okay. First, I want to thank the board for giving me this honor, and I think Jane sort of summarized much of the same things that I found at Marietta College. When I came here, I thought I was going to be a physician, and I applied to medical school and got accepted. But then I'd also gotten had some wonderful interactions with my professors that really changed the way I thought. And people like Paul Seiler and William Brown and Wilfred Hausmann and Hans-Georg Gilda and Professor Herschel Gross. The one who had perhaps the most profound effect on me was Mr. John Clark, who supervised a research project for me in my senior year. And it worked very, very nicely, and it really got me excited about doing science and finding out what's going on in molecular biology and structure and function of molecules. Subsequently, I went on to begin my Ph.D. work, and I was always interested in how muscle proteins produce force, how the molecules produce force so that we can shorten and exert force on the world. And so that's what I've been doing experiments on most of my life. Most of these experiments have something to do with cardiac muscle and have implication for heart disease. So I'm not trying to solve those diseases or resolve them, but at least if we know exactly how biology occurs and how it works, then we have a handle at least and a hope that we can change things. I also want to sort of summarize a little bit about how much I've enjoyed doing my career, in the sense that college is just a wonderful thing. Having a college education opens the world to you. It gives you access to all sorts of different people's thoughts and ideas, and it is just absolutely life transforming. Consequently, I've been working for 48 years or so, teaching and learning teaching and learning from medical students, and it's been very, very rewarding. The research itself has also been very rewarding because you get to talk and listen to and work and study with people who have some of the best minds in the world, and it's really humbling to learn how some of these people think and how clever they are. So one last thing I need to say is I did a great experiment about 52 years ago when I married my wife. And we first talked to each other outside this building right here. So we took a picture of her as she was opening the door, and the first time she ever said anything to me was, "Are you coming in?" But okay, thank you very much.